Is your Node.js app blind? Have you deployed it behind Apache, but your logs and rate limiter think every user is a local host? At AARK Tech Hub, we call this identity crisis, and it's a major security risk. Let's fix it. Coming from background in networking firmware for Cisco and Juniper, we look at the headers as our first line of defense. If Apache isn't forwarding X forwarded for header correctly, your security parameter is broken. First, we harden the gateway. In your Apache virtual host, you must set Proxy preserve host to on and manually set X forwarded proto. This tells Express exactly where the request started. Now, the crucial step. Don't just set trust proxy to true. That's a security flaw. Use AARK Standard. Explicitly trust only 127.0.0.1. This prevents IP spoofing while restoring your client's real IP address to request.ip. From high security fintech in Singapore to Silicon Valley scale e-commerce, AARK Tech Hub solves the infrastructure hurdles other agencies miss. We don't just write code, we architect systems with zero error discipline. Check the link in description for more details. If you need an international partner to scale your vision, let's talk. Follow AARK Tech Hub for more engineering deep dives.